Chapter 6. Greenland. The slanting sun rays fall on the surroundings of the South Pole and North Pole. The regions, therefore, are the coldest regions of the world. Northern parts of Europe, Asia and North America come under this region in the northern hemisphere, while the continent of Antarctica covers the polar region in the southern hemisphere. This region is also known as cold desert because of snow-covered surface throughout the year with very few vegetation. Let's study about Greenland, a polar region. Greenland, the largest island in the world, is located in the continent of North America. It is a part of Denmark. The northernmost tip of the world, known as Cape Morris Jesup, is situated in Greenland. An explorer, Eric the Red, gave the name of this region as Greenland in 981 AD. The name has no relation with greenery because the island is almost barren. Most of the land area of Greenland is covered with thick sheet of ice all through the year. Sometimes huge pieces of ice break off and float over the sea. They are called icebergs. These icebergs are dangerous for ships as they cannot be seen clearly from a distance. In 1912, a huge ship called the Titanic sank after hitting such an iceberg. Climate. In the northern hemisphere, Greenland lies in the frigid zone. This zone is also known as tundra region. The Arctic Circle crosses the southern part of Greenland. The climate of Greenland is very cold throughout the year. It receives very little rainfall. In summer, the sun shines brightly all the 24 hours in most parts of the island. The sun shines even at midnight. Therefore, Greenland is also called the land of the midnight sun. In winter, there is no sunlight because the sun does not rise above the horizon. These are months of darkness. Snow falls continuously and chilly winds keep blowing. The lowest temperature recorded in Greenland was minus 66 degrees Celsius in 1954. Vegetation. Since the climate of Greenland is very cold, vegetation is rarely found here. However, during the short summer, small grasses and some colorful plants grow in the coastal areas. Mosses and lichens which grow on rocks are used as fodder for animals, especially the reindeer. Wildlife. A wide variety of animals are found here in spite of extremely cold climate. Animals that can withstand extreme cold are found on this island. Polar bear, musk ox, Arctic fox, reindeer, and lemming are common land animals. These animals have thick fur on their bodies that protect them against the severe cold. Many kinds of birds, such as Arctic tern, duck and geese, are also found in Greenland. Seals, whales, walruses, and birds such as kua and loon live in the cold water of the sea. Reindeer is the most useful animal of Greenland. Industry. Greenland has only two types of industries which are very vital to the Greenlanders. The industries are shipbuilding and fish processing. Life of the people. The original inhabitants of Greenland are called the Eskimos. Most of the Eskimos have mixed with the Europeans. They are now called Greenlanders or Inuits. The Eskimos are short with a yellow-brownish complexion. They wear thick clothes made of sealskin to protect themselves against the cold. Both men and women wear the same type of clothes. Their hooded jacket is called parka. In winters, the Eskimos live in igloos. Old igloos were made of blocks of ice. But modern igloos can be made of stone, wood or skin. The Eskimos can make an igloo in just 2 or 3 hours. In summers, the Eskimos live in skin tents called dew pigs. There are only a few Eskimos now. They lead a settled life. The main occupation of the people here is fishing and hunting. In the past, they use harpoons and bows to kill animals. In order to catch fish or seals, They make holes in the ice and wait for a fish to come to the surface for breathing. As soon as the fish comes up, the Eskimo quickly pierces the back of the fish with a harpoon. The life of Eskimos largely depends on hunting. They make use of every part of the hunted animal. They eat its meat as food and use its blubber or fat as fuel. Its bones and tendons are used to make thread, needles, and harpoon heads. Its skin is used to make small boats. The other occupations of the people in Greenland are sheep rearing and farming. During the summer months, people grow hay, potatoes, and other vegetables in the southwest coastal region. Transport. Earlier, sledges were used as the main means of transport in Greenland. They were pulled by either huskies, strong dogs, or reindeers. Kayaks, small boats, and umiaks, big boats, were also used to travel in water. Important cities. Nuuk. The capital of Greenland is Nuuk, which is also the biggest city of this country. Its population is about 13,500. It was earlier known as Gotthab. Holsteinborg, now known as Sisimiut, is the second biggest town with a population of about 6,000. It has a big shipbuilding yard. Greenland at present. The Greenlanders' lifestyle has completely changed in the last few decades as the science has progressed. They have modern houses and have many facilities like speedy motorboats in place of kayaks and umiaks. They use guns and rifles in place of harpoons for hunting. They enjoy all the amenities of modern age such as radio, television, and computer in their homes. Schools, colleges, and hospitals have been set up in towns and cities. There is compulsory education for the children up to the age of 14. The cities of Greenland are well connected with European and American cities through airways. Points to remember. Greenland is the largest island in the world. Most of the land area of Greenland is covered with thick sheet of ice all through the year, so it experiences extremely cold. Reindeer is the most useful animal of Greenland. The original inhabitants of Greenland are called the Eskimos. Nuuk is the capital of Greenland.